My name is Nigel Pollard. I'm the chair of Empowered by Evidence, which is a New York-based non-profit to support scientific evidence and natural health products. So my background is in biochemistry, where I found a particular interest in pharmacology. And then in 1987, I joined the pharmaceutical industry, working in prescription products for cardiovascular disease. I worked in many markets around the world and ended up in Australia. And by this time, I'd become a passionate believer in natural health products. I'm amazed by their complexity and the potential of their multi-target pharmacological actions. So now my personal mission is to secure a role for specific evidence natural health products as mainstream medicines.
So, Nigel, I know that EV has an accredited product that contains Vitex. Could you tell me more about that?
Yes, thanks, Danny. Vitex or Vitex agnus castus, sometimes called Chaste Berry, has a code name of 440 and the brand name Premens. So this product is owned by the leading Swiss natural health company Zeller, and it's sold under various brand names internationally. To find the name and how to buy it in your country, visit our database at empoweredbyevidence.org/EBE-database.
And I would love to know more about what does the clinical trial show?
Yes, ZE440 or Premens is used in premenstrual syndrome or PMS. And there are two main clinical trials that EBE reviewed. One of them is comparing placebo and ZE440 in 162 patients with premenstrual syndrome. And this showed superiority over placebo in both physical and emotional symptoms of PMS, so breast tenderness, headache, as well as mood swings and more emotional symptoms. So it's the only medicine known to do both physical and emotional symptoms of premenstrual syndrome. And this has been replicated in another study in PMS as well. So it's got really great and fascinating evidence to support its use in women with PMS.
Yeah, that's very interesting. I'm a woman myself, so I know how it feels to go through those menstrual cycles. So I feel like that's very interesting, definitely. And because of this, I would love to know how does the product look like actually?
Yeah, so it comes in quite a small pack. It's like a conventional looking medicine. The tablets are very small because the company Zeller, who makes the product, knows very precisely what the active components are. And so this means it's very easy to swallow the tablets compared
Mm.
to many natural health products. What's also interesting, Danny, is that inside the pack comes a leaflet as well, like this. And this leaflet provides patients who are taking the product really good information on how to take it safely and what to expect when taking the product. So packaging in this style gives a lot of opportunity to provide really good information to help people who are taking the product take it safely and to the best effect.
That's very important. Thank you so much, Nigel.
It's a pleasure. Thank you.